Hello student, today we will learn our next types of nouns, that is countable noun and uncountable nouns. So first we'll see what is mean by countable nouns. So see here, countable nouns are objects that can be counted as separate units using numbers, or in simple word we can say a nouns that you can count are called countable nouns. For example, you have to see here, countable nouns have a plural forms like spoon, spoons, student, students. We can see more examples so easily you can understood. See here, Jessica eats an apple every day. She loves apples. See here, what is the example? Jessica eats an apple every day. She loves apples. So here apple is a countable noun. We can say an apple, two apples, three apples, four, five, or more apples. We can use the numbers. Why? Because they have a singular and a plural form. Now see here, in one side only one apple and other side there are three apples, means they have a singular and a plural form. Okay, and again we use a, an, or a number before a countable nouns. Now see here, apple, apples, one apple, three, four, many more apples. Okay, apple and apple. Now we have to see in sentence format how we can identify the countable noun. Now see the one number example. Ramesh has 8 pencils. So here 8 pencil is a countable noun. Next, she has 2 dogs. So here which countable noun come? Yes, 2 dogs. Okay, means we can count it. So children understood how to identify the countable nouns. Which nouns we can count, that is a countable nouns, or they have a singular or a plural forms. Now we'll see our remaining part, that is uncountable noun. What is mean by uncountable noun? See here, uncountable nouns are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. Means nouns that you cannot count are called uncountable nouns. So here you have to see the example. So easily you can identify what is mean by uncountable noun. Emily drinks milk every morning. She loves milk. Have you seen the sentence here? A girl name given and she drinks milk. So milk is an uncountable noun. We cannot count it. We cannot say a milk or 10 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks. Means milk is an uncountable noun. They have only a singular form. Okay, they never have a plural form. They have only a singular form, only milk. We cannot say milks, and milk, a milk. Okay, and we cannot use a, an, or a number before an uncountable nouns. In countable nouns we can use this all, but in uncountable noun we cannot use a, an, or number. And uncountable nouns always use a singular verb. Now you have to see the example, or you have to see a more information. To count or quantify an uncountable noun, we use a unit of measurement or a measure word like 2 loaves of bread, 2 slices of bread. Okay. For example, we'll see sugar. We count or measure the sugar in kilograms. Okay. We can say give me 2 kg sugar, but we cannot say give me 1 sugar, 2 sugar. Understood? Now here you have to see some example. First we'll take water. So how we format in sentence? Give me a bottle of water. We cannot say give me 1 water or 2 water. Okay. Next, see coffee. So how we'll say? A cup of coffee. Then sugar, a bag of sugar or a pack of sugar. Okay. Now next, milk. So how we'll say? A glass of milk. We cannot say give me 1 milk or 2 milk. So understood countable noun and uncountable noun. Which noun we count, that is countable noun, and which nouns we cannot count, that is uncountable noun. So children, you can learn this concept properly, and in next class or in next video I will give you more example of the types of nouns.